What's going on, peeps? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And what I want to share with you on this video is how you can actually get more sales for your business using the royalty gems, but also in conjunction with email marketing, okay? Now, the reason why I want to do this video, I know I've done prior videos about royalty gems before, and actually royalty gems is basically a way for me to actually promote my business using offline methods. So at the beginning of my I guess right around the time I started building businesses online, I was still doing some offline methods, right? So I was still putting out the flyers. Me and my nephew would drive around my city around 2 o'clock in the morning, putting out those yard signs outside of the mall and various places around the city. And I did that because I understood how effective offline marketing was, for one, and then two, it's a lot of people who are just unaffected when it comes to ads on social media. Some people they just have no interest and they won't even take action on buying something online. So that's the reason why I also try to do some offline marketing. Now, instead of me putting out flyers and yard signs and whatever else, I have been using the royalty gems, this gem right here, to market my business offline. Now, with the royalty gem, if you haven't seen any of my videos prior, guys, basically anybody that has an Android phone with Bluetooth activated that's within a 100-yard radius of this gem will get a notification of my business on their phone, pretty much, right? So that's what I've been doing with these. Now, what I really want to stress is that anybody who is currently using royalty gems, or you have been on the fence about royalty gems and you're trying to figure out how to best utilize it, you definitely want to use it with email marketing. The reason why you want to do this is because when somebody sees this notification on their phone and they go visit your website, or whether it's to a restaurant, whether it's to an online business, you just don't want to have people just visiting your website and then just leaving. And you want to make sure that if all possible, you can try to keep as much contact with those people who visit your site. Now, the reason why you want to do this too is because most people do not take action on the first time they see something, right? Just think about it. Somebody may go to your website and their phone might die, or they might get a phone call, or they might, well, you know what, I'm going to come visit this site when I get home, because, I'm driving right now, and I'll visit the site when I get home, and by the time they get home, they just forget about your site, and they never return, right? You don't want to miss out on all those potential opportunities, because if people clicked on that notification and went to your website, clearly they have some type of interest inside of your business. So this is why you want to make sure that you're doing email marketing, okay? So when it comes to email marketing, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're sending people to an opt-in page. Now, this opt-in page is basically where somebody can go to that notification or whatever else, or before they even hit your website, that they have to submit their email address in order to get something in return. Okay? So for me, like my online businesses, I usually offer a free training, a cheat sheet, or maybe a free video or something like that. So when people come to my website, they're going to land on an opt-in page. And for them to get a free video that's going to give them some type of value, they have to give me their email address in exchange for that free video. Now I have their email in an autoresponder, and an autoresponder is basically where you're going to house all those emails that are coming in. Now, once you have all those emails, what you want to do is you want to keep following up with those emails and building that rapport. Build that relationship, stay on top of mind. Because again, people may just forget you along the way. People, like our attention span is very, very short these days. So you want to make sure that you're staying on top of mind by being consistent in the email marketing and in your communication with that potential customer, right? So, like I said, you need to send them to an opt-in page, right? And then that opt-in page, once they have opted in, like I said, it can be a free video. Like for me, for my royalty business, once people opt in, they get a webinar that actually, with one of the top affiliates on there, and she's explaining what royalty gems is. I'm also on that webinar, sharing one of my secret hacks, not a secret hack, but it's like one of the hacks that I use to actually get more sales in my business using the royalty gems, right? So you want to make sure you give them your freebie. I'll put it like that, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're following up through your autoresponder, okay? So to give you guys an example of what an opt-in page looks like, it'll look like something like this, okay? This is kind of just temporary. This is not what I'm currently using right now, but this is kind of give you guys an idea. I like to use this one because it's very simple. It's a white background. It's not distracting. It gets straight to the point, right? Because you got to think people's attention span is really short, and you just want to give people what they're looking for, right? So make sure everything is congruent. And I'm telling people, like, hey, it's a free video. Discover how to get your business in front of thousands of people daily with no paid ads. They're going to put their email address in there, and once they do that and they click on get instant access, it's going to take them directly to a free video, a free webinar that's going to explain what royalty gems are, and so on and so forth. Keep it very, very simple, and you want to keep building your email list. That's all you need to do, right? And again, like I said, most people will not buy things or take action on the first time they see something, but the more you stay consistent in that communication with them, they'll be more likely to do business with you, okay? Keep it very simple. Make sure you are doing email marketing and building your own list of your own email list. And if you don't think this is effective, think about places like Groupon, right? If you go to Groupon.com and you try to get one of their deals, they won't even let you purchase anything until you do what? Enter an email address. And as soon as you enter that email address, now you're able to purchase something off of that site. But not only that, as soon as you go to your email, you're going to start seeing coupons and communication from Groupon, right? Same thing when you go to Walmart or Target or something like that. If you want to make a purchase, you go ahead and make a purchase. You go to checkout, and before you can check out, they'll tell you, like, hey, why not create a free account and maybe save 10% on your purchase? So now, guess what they're doing? They're now building an email list on there so they can do what? Keep marketing to you over and over and over again. So if the big box stores are doing it, you need to be doing it for your business as well. Keep it very simple, guys, okay? So hopefully you found this video really helpful. If you have any questions, you can ask them below, and I'll make sure I'll try to respond to them as quickly as possible. Also, if you want access to the same software that I'm actually using, it's not a software, but actually the same business that I'm actually using to create the capture pages like this, that also has an autoresponder built into it, so you don't have to go use a third-party website. Everything that you need in order to build a successful email marketing campaign is all in one spot. I'm going to go ahead and put that information below as well. So make sure you also subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also hit that notification bell so you can get more updates when I do more videos like this, guys, okay? Let me know what you think below, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.